Hello, my friends. This is Hani Amiri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos, and for everyone who's watching my videos for the first time. I should say I'm online entrepreneur since 2015. I did a lot of mistakes and I struggled a lot and quit two times. Then by the middle of 2017, I made it a successful online business. Thankfully, it's up and running. Today, I'm gonna speak about the very first steps I had when I started thinking or planning uh, to work online. This is this interesting working journey started on exactly March 2014. I've started to do my search, reading books, attending shows, business shows in London. Uh, there is in my iPad many of ebooks and PDFs and also hard copies of books I've purchased to read, and also the online search for some advice, studies, anything. The interesting thing was a business show in Olympia, London, on June 2014. This business show, was focusing on how to use the social media in your business, because it wasn't that so popular that time, I guess, according to my information. So I attended the many live training. People who have the business shows, or the participants in the business show organizing a live training according to their experience, what they are offering from products. And there is large screens, chairs, people explaining everything. That was really good information I acquired and absorbed. And then from there, I started seriously to dive deeper to find information. But the good thing was I wasn't in a rush. I mean, I understand, according to my previous experience, setting up business take time and efforts. So be generous for your business. If you are planning or already started, or just an idea in your mind, give your business time and efforts. Invest these two things. It's so important. Be generous to your business, then you will be on the right way. So I've started my first steps, as I mentioned, like looking for good information, tips, advices. Also, I attended many other shows. Then, according to my search, and you also will find this is also, or maybe you already found it, when Google and Facebook knows know better than me and you on their customers, their users. So according to your search on Google, or even on YouTube here, they will put ads in front of you uh, when you watch like this video or any other videos, and your search or your concern was making money online, working from home, things like this, they will put ads in front of you. So when you saw an ad, as I did before, don't worry, click on the ad, join those people. They usually offer free training or exactly a webinars. So webinars, put your email address, your name, and watch the webinar. It will be 1-2 hours. Like I remember back 2015, I guess. Yes, I attended a webinar 4 hours. So this is a lot of knowledge and information will come to you. Later, if you found this offer, this product, those people is not interesting, it is like, for example, not compatible with what you are going to do, so you can unsubscribe. By the way, 2 weeks ago, one of my subscribers sent me an email. He said, "Stop sending me this email, please." I replied to him, "Sorry for that. I feel regret, but please, you can unsubscribe from the bottom of the email, because I can't take your email amongst 600,000-700,000 subscriber. My list right now." So I guess he did that. So later, when you found, those people will send you a follow-up sequence on emails to promote more and more with some ideas, with some things, other offers. So if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. It's that easy. Don't worry about it. So I watched a lot of webinars, free training, in addition to what I'm reading, searching. YouTube videos is very, very important. It's like, for example, so valuable information. You can go for it. Thousands of people giving this, I mentioned before, tutorial videos explaining everything. You can not check 1 or 2 or 3. Any free time you have, instead of watching other social media for 3 or 4 hours, I'm sure all of us have free time. And this is my big mistake I made between 2010 till 2014. I was a very popular publisher for exactly on WhatsApp. I have a group 4,000 people, and I send daily 120 messages, videos. I create that, not just like for forward. No, I'm not forwarding. I create everything. By the way, like 2 months ago, my computer was full, so I deleted all that what I did. But to be honest, I feel regret. That was wasting of time, because what's the benefit I got from being so powerful on WhatsApp or anywhere? So I'm not saying that to stop, totally, completely stop. No, but take 1 hour, 2 hours from this time to invest in yourself. I mean, to develop, to improve your skills, to make something for you, for your future, for your family, your kids, things like this. So now, as I told you, I watched a lot of free training, and also I have the books, things like this. And also, the good thing is I have business experience, but it is different. The offline business than the online business is really there is a big difference there. But it is by the end work experience, and also my age, my life experience is good. So that helped me a lot to be patient, to take it step by step, also to take actions. Anything I think about it, I find it interesting, I think deeply this will be good for me or not. If it is good, even very small benefit I got from that, so I will go for it. If I make sure this will not cause me trouble, there is no any bad consequence over there, or I can, for example, let's say about the emails, I can subscribe anytime, so don't worry about that. Go ahead, take this free training. Any people who are offering this training, ask them a question, interact with people, watch videos that related to developing your skills, and like, for example, changing your mindset is so important. Focus on that. Skills, like 2010 and 2010 and till I guess 2012, I had many courses to develop my computer skills. Now it's all free under your hand here, in YouTube or any other. Even many times, I like to take a professional course, so I go to Udemy or anywhere. I buy it 10, 12, 15 US dollar. It's for life subscription. This is good. So I improved my computer skills, and then I feel like comfortable working online when it comes to like doing some jobs, something, do search, building something, starting some tools. This is now the technology is huge and really interesting. It's really good. You like it. This is the important thing. I will finish right now. I will come back to. By the way, you can check my full story, my life story and my working story on my website. On the home page, read more. There is the box read more. You will move to another page. You will find all my story, all my history. The main events, the main things I have, not everything, but that's what I mentioned in my previous videos, that is branding yourself and building authority, because you will be very well known. You will have your say. Your words will be respected, and will be like a lot of people waiting for you, following you, asking you. This is a big value you are delivering to the society, and by the end, this is the life. It's like to take and give, or give and take. This is to interact with the people and be someone who delivers values to the society. I enjoy it like this. You did it as you like. I will come back to speak also on my early steps setting up my online business later. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short story, and I will come back again for that. And thank you for watching my video, visiting my channel. Please drop me a line there, visit my website, give me a thumb up, and subscribe if you are the first time here, because I'm going to share a lot of my honest actual experience to you, to help you a lot to build your online presence, to start working online. If you want any other support, much more than that, reach me out, comment below, and or visit my website to submit a request there, and I will reply with pleasure. Thank you so much, and see you very soon. Bye.